In this class, we are going to learn about multiplication of two numbers using 8085 simulators. So let's try to understand how to perform multiplication of two numbers. You can see this is the mnemonic code of multiplication of two numbers, and where a register is stored 00 values and B register is stored 06, that is first input value 06 hex code and second input value 05, where then add b that means B register value and A register value sum, that means A equals to A plus B. You can see A value 00, so A value 00, so 0 plus 6, that means 6, and decrement the value of D register decrement the value 05. So now after decrement it's 4, and here JNZ is the branch instruction. Okay, it's branch instruction, it's 16-bit address. Change the program sequence to the location specified by the 16-bit address if the zero flag is reset. Reset, that means zero flag is 0. If the zero flag 0, then exit from this loop and store the value now in thousands location and then stop. So let's, here zero flag is not reset, so loop here and then add again. So what is the value of B register? 6. So 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Okay, so now 12, and here again decrement the D value. So now decrement the value 3, and here zero flag is not reset, so loop, jump on loop, so add here and plus 6. Okay, and values 180, and here now decrement the value of D, so now decrement 2, and then zero flag is not reset, so jump on loop and again add 6, and here decrement the D register, so now values 1. Okay, and here zero flag is reset, that means zero flag 0, so condition is not true, so again plus 6, so total values 30, and here decrement the D register, so decrement G register value now 0, jump on 0, that means here zero flag is reset, that means zero flag 0, so condition is true, so exit and store the value 9000 address or this location of this program output and also accumulator. So now assemble this program code. So assemble, here just compiler not understood this 0 1, so now delete this. Okay, so now delete. So now run this program code, so assemble and run. So you can see the output, a register, accumulator register 1e is the output, and also store the value 9000 address, so 1e. Suppose you change the input values. Okay, suppose you change input values 3 and second input values 2. We know what is the multiplication value, 3 into 2, that means 6. If you get accumulated output 6 and 9000 location 6, so we can confirm that it's right. Okay, so now assemble and run. So we got it 6. This is the program code for multiplication of two numbers. Thanks for watching.